Namaste, friends. I just wanted to share another silly mistake that I had made in my life and which affected my health a lot. And I just want to caution you all too about it. During the process of my recovery, I had tried many pathis like homeopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy. In that process, in naturopathy, actually, they had asked me to stop all the fats from the diet, like oils and ghee, and they promote to include soaked nuts, sprouts, and seeds, which actually, for my body condition and inflamed intestines, I think they were not able to digest the food well and not able to absorb them and give nourishment to my cells. So, for my body condition, that was not suitable. They had also recommended to take lot of water, which makes the body cleanse internally, and also it gives the external effect for a normal body condition. But with my condition of ulcerative colitis, Crohn's, and inflammation, handling that much amount of water was not possible for my body, and every time I had to frequently visit restrooms. It was like a whole day process, always visiting the restrooms. The body was not absorbing the water, how much ever I take. So basically, just like how the leather sandals get stiff when they are uh, exposed to a lot of rainwater or wetness, they become hard, right? Similarly, when we take a lot of water, also with the inflammation inside, the skin inside the stomach and intestines become hard. They become rough and dry, because when there is inflammation and when the body tries to heal it and repair it, there will be a scar tissue formed there. Also, the walls of the intestines become thicker, and then the lumen, which is the tubular body structure lined by epithelial membrane, becomes narrower. Apart from that, this excess intake of water always also reduced my sodium levels, because even the salt intake was restricted there. These natural raw foods, though very high in prana, the life force energy, vitamins, minerals, but have high amount of fibers, which always do the job of cleansing our system. But if you have weak intestines and you need to absorb all the nutrients from the foods you take, you must cook the food and also include the healthy fats like A2 cow milk ghee, and then only you will get the benefit out of them. Ghee also contains a great short chain fatty acid, the butyrate, which helps to build the cells of our intestines. So, reducing the intake of these healthy fats and taking raw foods and also drinking more amount of water, all these things messed up my system and they did not help me in any way. So, I'm not against any naturopathy treatment, but I'm just sharing my experience with all of you. So, whatever I eat, the food was not properly digested. Also, there was no absorption. How much ever nutritious food I take, it was not absorbing by the body. So that was the major mistake. Please don't do this kind of silly mistakes ignorantly. Thank you so much.